if you want to check if the emails of these contacts are valid or not. This helps you
Mhm.
keep the email list clean and avoid high bounce rates. And one more thing, you can see over here right now, we are in the all section, and you can create smart lists. These are some demo smart lists that have been created already. How
Mhm.
you create a smart list so that you can segment the list, and you can do the so by clicking on the filters, apply
Yeah.
any specific filter. Let's say, for example, I want to see the contacts with a specific tag. Let's suppose I have a newsletter. I can add this. I want to see my newsletter subscribers. I will just simply click on it. I will hit apply, and now it gives me the option to save it as a smart list. And when I save
Okay.
it as smart list, it will ask me to give it a name, and that name will show up over here. And any person that gets added this tag is going to show up in the smart list. And if you remove that tag, it's going to be removed from that. At the
Okay.
top over here, like these are the smart lists currently.
Okay.
TekMatix Academy member demo. These
I
are
see.
already created as an example. And if you click on the contact right over here inside the contacts, then it shows up something similar to the inbox, but there's a difference. So you can see that in this screen, right in the center, you will
Mhm.
again see the conversations and you can send messages as well. But on the left
Mhm.
side, it's not exactly like the inbox. Now you can see all the custom fields, all the data that this contact has. You can see the phone numbers, emails, and any phone number, sorry, phone numbers over here, name, email, and you can add more custom fields here as well. You can create as many custom fields as you want. And these are some fields that they have created, like the team has created just to show as a demo in
Yeah.
here. And you can also like have those custom fields in those in folders, and those
Mhm.
folders show up here like this. Like you can toggle this one and you can see all the fields inside, right? So at the bottom, this is important too. At the bottom, you can see that you can see all of the tags that this contact has been assigned, and all
Mhm.
of the automations that this person is active right now or was active in the past. And then you can
Mhm.
see the opportunities as well, like which pipeline is this person in. And
Yeah.
if you have courses, you can see what courses does this contact has access to. And here is the DND settings. You can turn on or off DND settings. So yeah, you can see that it was created by client portal. It means that this person signed up on the client portal and created on this.
Mhm.
And now you can see the activity, like what pages did that person visit? Did it fill out any form? Did it book any appointment? All of that will show up over here. And then these are the same fields as I showed you before. Like you can see the tasks, you can see the
Mhm.
notes, and you can see all the calendar appointments. You can see all the documents,
Mhm.
and you can see like all the payments as well, like all the transactions, and if this person has any subscriptions, and if there is some invoice pending, all of that will be visible here as well. So yeah, these are some of the options.